What's up, guys? Welcome to the DIY Arts channel, and we're here to check out our 15-inch Fusion. Me and the Puffer Man here.
Oh yeah, what's up?
What's going down? He was cruising home the other day, and it started making some noise. And if you've been with the channel, we've been working on all these boxes, getting them going, and now we got them running. One of our woofers is giving us issues, but we're gonna get it all set up here. But he wanted to make sure that we didn't miss it so we could record it for everyone to see. So let's get into this action here. It's gonna start moving here a little bit. So did you get scared? You thought it was gonna blow up, huh?
Yeah, I think it was just smacking the speaker, and I thought it was the coil smacking the magnet.
Right.
Yeah, I heard it earlier that day, and I'm like, dude, this is not good. So I had to go back there, unplug it.
At least it's all good though.
Yeah.
That thing's bumping right there. So we'll see if we can get this cap to fall off of there. Some slow motion. That thing's opening up.
Yeah, it breathes now.
At that thing. It looks like it's alive. It's asking for some food or something. Ooh, that's getting out there. Let's see this in slow-mo. Look how far that thing went out there. Boom! That is crazy. Whenever they start making noise, everybody gets nervous.
Right.
These things get pretty expensive too. This was probably a $300 woofer. It is about 15 years old though, so. Dang, did you see that? Yeah, so we made a bunch of live videos getting these boxes ready and getting these woofers to set in there, and let's see how it goes in some slow motion on that one. Yeah, that thing ain't messing around there. But all my old woofers, they're getting tore up now. The boxes are doing all right. They're a little sticky in some spots, but overall they look good. Check out all the live videos we did. Oh, there we go. She fell off. Let's see that thing go off in some slow motion. Oh, feed me. Get off. There she goes. Alright, we had to make sure we had to see that. I wasn't going to stop recording until that fell off. Either the woofer was going to break or the cap was going to come off. So there's the inside of that woofer there. That's your voice coil, then your magnet inside there, and then all them little grates are keeping the air to fluctuate, keeping it cool. And there's your cap. The old Fusion cap.
Impressive.
There's Puffer Man up in the front.
Oh, yeah.
You were still stressing when we were doing that. You thought we were breaking it, huh?
Yeah,
You did.
I did not know what
I
was
could
going
see it
on at
on
all.
your face. Alright, let's see this coil in slow motion. That thing just sits there. It just sounds like it's breathing. Wow, look inside there. All that electricity's making that thing bounce back and forth. Pretty cool. That thing's moving. Electricity does not play.
It's positive and negative.
Yeah. Making that thing jump. And that thing's got a nice rubber surround. The excursion is like 22 millimeters on that thing. So we made another video where the amp was giving us issues and that speaker was jumping, huh?
Yeah.
That was crazy.
Oh, yeah, that one jumps.
Right on, guys. Appreciate everyone checking out this video. This thing has been waiting to get this thing posted because we weren't going to miss this live action and watching one of these caps come off of here.
No.
But the woofer never stopped bumping. She's doing good, so you don't necessarily need your cap.
It sounds,
Nah, you just need that thing to work. All them electrical parts working.
exactly.
What? Was
And
that
there
loud?
you go.
That made me happy.
Yeah,
Sweet. Let's turn it down. All right.
you feel me?
You feel me? Oh man, we did it. Guys, make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button. Check out the channel. We messing with some car audio today.
Dang.
Who knows what it'll be tomorrow, huh?
Who knows?
Let's see.
Exactly. Who knows?
Cool.